and welcome to the Trimble Airstream. We purchased this 2014 Flying Cloud used from a woman that really inspired us named Holly. She grew up ranching, she's been an accountant, and she's a crime writer. She let us keep a few stickers to remind us that while the Airstream is new to us, it's already been on a lot of adventures and we're excited to take it on even more. So let's go check out the inside. So welcome inside. One of the things we loved most about this Airstream when we saw it was this booth, because we wanted a spot where we could do interviews in the moment, sit down with people, have a conversation, and have it feel so comfortable. And it does. It's our mobile work area and desk, and it is so comfortable because of this amazing butter leather. I didn't know that's a thing, but it is, and it's awesome. If you see us on the road, make sure to say hi. We have custom-made key rings from the makerspace, stickers, and some fun little things for the kiddos too.
All right, smile, Hannah. Perfect. Nice little.
You can get on the Polaroid wall.
All right, so if you come over here, this is our kitchen area. I'm currently monitoring the audio and video of the production right now, but we won't be cooking too much, maybe cookies in the future, but we needed a lot of storage. So you'll see up here, we have camera, a drone, and then in here, a lot of storage. So we've got lighting, we've got batteries, we've got lenses. So everything we need to record things in here and also pack them up to bring them out on the road.
So after getting the Trimble RV, the first project we did was cut out the panel right here that used to be a bed support because we needed more floor room and, importantly, also easier access to our new storage area. This is where we keep a lot of our camera equipment, batteries. It's a super handy spot. Glad we did it, and it was fun to get our chance to make like our own little mark and change it just a bit. Hey, Matt.
Hello.
Found you.
I am not in the loo, but this was the shower, and we also converted this into a sound booth. So we needed an area to have, quality voiceovers, maybe future confessionals, and other content opportunities on the road as well. So we got this nice pad to bounce the sound and make a, nice crisp audio. But that's it for the interior. Let's take it outside.
Welcome to our outdoor living space. We are in love with this wrap. It's a really special install because it's actually a transparent vinyl that lets all the Airstream branding still show through while celebrating the Trimble Everywhere You Turn road trip. We love it. It's fun, it's bright, it's so fun to drive around, and we love meeting people who know Trimble along the way. We don't just have good cameras, we also have incredible Trimble equipment. This one's my personal favorite and my new best friend, the Trimble X9 point cloud scanner. I'm getting to use it to point cloud scan some fun and unexpected things like roadside landmarks, largest ball of yarn, world's biggest easel. If you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. This machine can collect 1 million points per second. So I set it up, turn it on, it auto levels, which I love, and then it can scan up to 150 meters away, all these points, and then it goes straight onto this Trimble tablet, my best friend, when I'm doing it, because in the moment I can instantly look and see, did I get what I wanted? It processes the data that fast, that downloads the file right away, and then I can check my data, make sure I don't need to go back and re-catch a point, everything auto-calibrates. It's pretty incredible what this can do. I'm gonna hand it over to Matt. What do you have?
All right, so over here we have the Trimble R780. It's a great receiver that is good for point-to-point surveying, great applications in geospatial as well as construction. It's equipped with the Trimble inertia platform technology, which means at an angle it still can get that accurate point, so no need to level the bubble anymore. And then it's paired with a high-powered Trimble controller, and that's where you can read a lot of these point cloud scans and 3D scans on the road. And that's all we have for you. Let's just sit down in these chairs.
And if you see us somewhere, challenge us to a game of cornhole, but
yes.
Don't expect to win.
All right, take care.